Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about techhorn.in? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. So let's check out the detail. Techhorn is an online website that is dealing with technical electronic products. The category on the website includes household appliances, sound appliances, kitchenware appliances, trimmer collection, and multiple other products. Like all the products given on the website are actually having discounted prices. Let's check out more detail of the website. It is HTTPS secured website dealing with multiple electronic products. They have shared their physical address, email address. For shipping they need 48 hours. For order placement, you can enjoy free shipping over the order of $100 plus for international orders, and shipping is free in India. No delivery details have been shared. The website accepts return within 60 days of order placement. You can cancel the order before it is shipped. All the online payment modes are available. The positive point of the website are the platform deals with multiple categories. Details about all the products are mentioned on the platform. The website accepts all the online payment modes for its transaction. The negative point of the website are the website provides its products at only 15% of the total cost, which raises suspicion. The domain age of the platform is very recent. The website's social media presence is not found. So question here is Techhorn legit? As we are checking out all the details, we are here to give you unbiased review. Let's check into depth. The domain age of the platform is too recent. It was launched only few days ago. Social media presence of the website is not found. The reviews of the website over the internet are also not found. The availability of online links for the platform is also missing. The website delivery policy is not mentioned in detail over the platform. The reviews are missing on the website. The trust score of the website is too low to be trusted. So here when we check out for the reviews on the internet and on the website, we found that there is no reviews available for the website on the internet, but positive reviews may be found on the website. So in our final verdict, we can say that we advise our viewers not to trap in discounted prices, and we have not found much about the platform legitimacy. As we discussed, it is newly created website with poor trust score and trust index. So we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store right at the moment. We recommend you it's better to wait for some time for some genuine reviews to come, and you can shop meanwhile from some other store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.